The Gram Panchayat, I carry the voice of the people and guide the village towards progress. Good afternoon, all of you. As the elected leader of the Gram Panchayat, I carry the voice of the people and guide the village towards progress. My role is to listen with care, bring everyone together, and make sure decisions reflect the needs of all, including women, youth, elderly, marginalized, and children with special needs. Thank you, Ananda.
सभी ग्रामवासियों को नमस्कार।
हाँ गुड
As the सचिव और पंचायत सेक्रेटरी, I am the bridge between government rules, village action. My role is to guide the sarpanch and ward members with proper reports, rules and procedures, so that the Gram Sabha decision are lawful, open to all, and reach every household. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. As the Sahayak Sachiv, I support the Panchayati Secretary in smooth functioning. My role is to help with records, data and the coordination so that the work of the Panchayati is efficient and move on forward.
Good afternoon, Pandar. As the data entry organizer, I make sure Panchayat's work is recorded digitally. My role is to ensure accuracy and timely entry of data so that people get benefits without delay. Thank you.
There's some ANM are facing some issues like SHG members are some issues in that chart. Please read out that. Okay. Can I start? Headmaster?
Yeah, anyone.
Headmaster? Yes sir, please. Okay. Yeah.
I am a headmaster. As a headmaster, I guide children's education and build trust between school, parents and community. My role is to lead learning and ensure every child feels safe and included. I lead school plan, learning infrastructure, resources with teachers, parents and SMC. I coach teachers for quality learning. I maintain a safe and child-friendly school. I share best practices with other schools too. Thank you, sir.
Good evening to all of you. I am an Anganwadi worker. As the Anganwadi worker, I am the first friend of the children and mothers. My role is to support early learning, good nutrition and health to children, grow strong and ready for school. I provide food to children, pregnant women and mothers. I run playful learning activities for small children. I keep health and grow records. I spread awareness on health, hygiene and immunization. Thank you very much.
Sir, please sir.
As education head, I act as guardian for children's learning and ensure no change is left behind. I raise education issues in panchayat meetings. I monitor school attendance, infrastructure and meals. I work with the teachers, SMC and parents to solve problems. I encourage girls and mother children to go to school. Thank you.
One issue. Good afternoon, everyone. I am an NGO worker. As an NGO worker, I stand beside the community to strengthen their voice and bring new knowledge, skills, and partnerships. I run awareness program on health, education, livelihood, and rights. I support self-help groups, youth clubs, and farmer groups. I link villagers with government schemes and panchayat. I help citizens share needs in Gram Sabha. And today I want to raise one issue that the literacy problem is there in our village. So how to overcome that literacy problem? I am raising this issue to the Panchayat Secretary.
Thank you, sir. As for the literacy issue, it was raised in the meeting. As a Sarpanch, I will inform to Mandal Education Officer where teacher shortage is there, which school is having problem. We will see. I will ask our members also to visit to different schools to get first-hand information. So all the teachers are attending the classes regularly, and whatever the strength of the each schools, I will come to know with the help of our members, as well as I will inform to the issue to Mandal Education Officer.